On behalf of Southwest Airlines, especially this Cancun-based flight crew, we'd love to be able to welcome you to Honolulu. But we are in Orlando, just as tropical. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and all those carry-on items right where they are until the aircraft comes to a stop at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned off. Once that seatbelt sign is turned off, be careful when opening overhead bins. Items tend to shift around during flight and they could fall out. If you're connecting here to another Southwest Airlines flight, go out and check the TV monitors inside the terminal for your connecting flight and gate information. This is the termination of this flight number, so that means everybody will be deplaning here in Orlando. So now's a good time to take a moment, look around your seat area on the floor, especially in that seat back pocket for any personal items you brought along with you today. Once you leave the aircraft, folks, you are not allowed back on. So please check around, make sure you have all those personal items. Also, just be aware that the front and back doors will be open for ground servicing, so if you have any little ones with you, just pay close attention to them. Certainly, it's been a pleasure sharing part of our afternoon with you. You have many, many choices out there on your fly. Thanks so very much for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines this afternoon. Go out, buckle up, be safe, be kind to one another, spread the love, not germs, wash your hands, stay healthy. Hope you can come back and see us again real soon here at Southwest. Have a great rest of your evening. Have a great weekend. Welcome to Orlando. Also, folks, if you are next to a window, if you wouldn't mind lowering those window shades for us, if you could all reach up, open up those air vents right above your head, that'll keep the aircraft nice and cool while we're here in Orlando, because it's a little warm out there. Thanks so much.